two raw potatoes, salt to taste, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon red pepper, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon allspice powder, half teaspoon pomegranate powder. Cut potatoes into 3 parts vertically. Cut potatoes into 3 parts vertically. Cut each potato. Now give superficial oblique cuts on the potato. Superficial oblique cuts, don't go deeply. We don't need to cut this. We just giving superficial cuts so that it is absorbs spices inside, goes inside the potatoes. That's why we are giving only superficial cuts, so spices goes inside the potatoes. See the superficial cuts, so spices will go inside the potatoes. Give superficial cut on the 3 parts, giving superficial cuts on the 3 parts of each potato, so total 6 parts. So on 6 part giving superficial cuts so that it absorb the spices, giving superficial cuts so that it absorb the spices. See, cuts are superficial and not breaking the potato, and it's just superficial cuts. It's not breaking the potato. Cut potato into 3 parts. See, vertically 3 parts. Now make a superficial cut on the potato. See, like this way, so that it absorbs the spices inside. See, it's not breaking, not separating into parts. It's just opening the holes which we made with the knife. It's just opening the holes which we made with the knife. When see, so it will spices will go inside. Now mix all the spices together: salt, red pepper, turmeric, cumin powder, coriander powder, mango powder, all pomegranate powder. Combine all spices together. Now which we made the superficial cuts, apply the spices on the superficial cuts of the potatoes which we made with the knife. Fill the spices in the superficial cuts. Take out the potato, open it like this, and fill the spices inside the potatoes. Fill spices inside the potatoes one by one. Fill the spices inside the potatoes. Fill spices inside the potatoes one by one. Or apply superficially spices on the potatoes. Keep the pan for heating, so we will fry these golden brown on the pan. Fill the spices in the superficial cuts. Fill the spices in the superficial cuts. Fill spices inside the superficial cuts. So I fill the spices in the superficial cuts. Potatoes are ready to cook. Let's do the cooking. Now move to the second step. Pan is hot. Apply some oil. Brush the pan with the oil, or grease the pan with the oil. Now keep the potatoes one by one. The spices side should be upper, and down side should be skin side should be down. Put the spices on the top of the potatoes. Put remaining spices on the top of the potatoes. Now we will cover it and cook it on the low to medium gas. Cover and cook on the low to medium gas 6 to 7 minutes on the low gas. Cover, cook 6 to 7 minutes on the low gas. After 7 minutes, oil on the top and flip. After 7 minutes, put the oil on the top of the potatoes. Then we will flip these, overturn these, and cook other side. Cook the potatoes from other side. Flip it and cook both sides golden brown. Cook both the sides golden brown. Cook both the sides golden brown. Cover and cook. Cover and cook on the low gas. Cover with the tissue paper. This hole I covered with the tissue paper. Close this hole with the tissue paper so steam doesn't come out. Cover lid hole with either wheat flour dough or with the tissue paper. See, I am covering this hole with the wheat flour dough. Let's see, steam is forming inside the whole cover. Inside the cover, steam is forming and potatoes will cook on the steam. After every 6 to 7 minutes, flip it and cook both sides golden brown. See, spices are cooked very well. Spices are cooked very well, golden brown. Cook after every 6 to 7 minutes of the covering. Flip it and cook other side golden brown. Oil on the top of the potatoes. Put oil on the top of the potatoes. Our yummy potatoes are cooking. Very delicious recipe. Must try recipe. Cover cook again 6 to 7 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes, check with the fork if potatoes are done or not. Insert the fork inside the potatoes. See, insert the after 6 to 7 minutes, check with the fork. Insert the fork with inside the potato. If it's going inside, it means potatoes are baked perfectly, cooked perfectly. Now let's take out. Potatoes are done. See, these are perfectly cooked. I checked with the fork. Our potato spices are ready. Spicy potato are ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Let's serve these in the plate. All potatoes are cooked. Perfectly done. All potatoes are cooked. Let's take out these in the plate. Serve with the flat bread. Don't eat the skin. Just eat the potato part only. It's funny, but it's a reality. Thank you for watching. You can watch Thailand potato recipe on my channel. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your views matters a lot. Press bell icon button. Thank you.